Good morning from Jonesboro, Arkansas, January 3rd, 2024, 7:27 a.m. Look at this. Y'all like the way I covered up my address here? I could have made this look a lot nicer if I had done it in post-production. Post-production. Yeah, okay. I shouldn't be using terms that fancy when I'm just a guy in his office, his home office, doing basic videos, post-production. Good Lord. All right, but I could make it look better, but I don't care. It just hides my address. It's fine. Okay, here's what I'm going to talk about. I bought this car, 2017 Chevy Bolt, and a day or two after I got it home, it would start making this clicking noise. When you would stop and it'd start going click, 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 and it would stop when you took off. And even when you got out of the vehicle, you'd get out and shut the door and that clicking noise would be, still going on in the car with it turned off. When we picked it up after having it repaired, I asked my wife, I said, well, we'll know pretty quick, if it's fixed. She said, I'll know as soon as I open the door. I said, what do you mean? She said, even when you open the door, that clicking noise is going off inside. I said, really? Even though it's been setting? She said, yep. And I always meant to get that clicking noise on video. A couple reasons why I didn't. One, this is my wife's work vehicle. I wasn't in it that often. And when I was, she was with me, and I didn't want her to be delayed going to the store or doing whatever while I sat there with the video and try to capture it. Even when we went to drop it off, I thought I need to capture this on video, but it was pouring down rain. She was behind me. I didn't want her to have to be delayed, and I wasn't sure I could pick it up anyway on camera because it wasn't very loud. But anyway, I took it up there and wound up it needed the brake booster control module right there, reprogrammed. Now, I thought it'd be free because it's just a software update. I thought software updates were free. Evidently not. I guess if it's officially a recall, it's free. And I guess this wasn't officially a recall. So $145 to get it fixed. One more thing. While I was in post-production, I thought of something. This car had new brake rotors put on it right before I bought it. He put new brake rotors, I think all four. And I wonder if that has something to do with it. I wonder if you put new brake rotors on one of these cars, if you have to reprogram the brake module or whatever it was I said. This is too small now for me to read. I wonder if you have to I wonder if that's part of it, or if it's just a coincidence and has nothing to do with it. I don't know. That's interesting. I wish I knew the answer just because out of curiosity, if nothing else. But anyway, that's just something I thought of. Back to the video. And man, at least it took care of it. It did fix it. And I took it to Glensane and Paragould, which is about 20 miles away. Because I'm not going 2 miles away or 3 miles away to Central Chevrolet. I'm not doing it unless I just have to. Because when I took my Chevy Bolt up there, it was an official recall and it should have been free to fix the shift to park problem. And they would not. They wanted $400 something. And I held the paperwork in my hand from GM. The bulletin number said, look at this. This says it's free. Everybody on the internet that had this fixed under warranty would say it's the same thing. All dealers tell you it's not covered under warranty because they don't think it is. You show them the service bulletin, they'll investigate it, and they'll find out it is under warranty. They wouldn't even look at the paper. They just said if it was under warranty, we would know. They wouldn't even look at it. So, yeah, I went all the way to Glensane and Paragould. $145 to get it fixed. But anyway, it's fixed now. So if your Chevy Bolt has a little clicking noise, then almost certainly the brake booster control module needs to be reprogrammed. Okay? All right. Great car. My wife really likes it. She loves the visibility. This thing has a ton of visibility. As a matter of fact, after driving it for a week, she got back in her Cherokee, which she absolutely loves. And she said, man, I felt almost claustrophobic. Couldn't see out the windshield. She never felt like that before. Excuse me. I got a little thing going on. A little frog in my throat. Maybe a drink of coffee will help. I guess not. So I guess that means it's time to sign off. So anyway, you have a good day. Thanks for watching. And God bless everyone. I couldn't think of anything else to say except for